Learn English vocabulary. Hello! Do you want to improve your English? We can help. We teach English with word games, like this. Today's game is called Top Level Adjectives, so they're very difficult. If you want more time, when I hold up the card, you can stop the show for more time. Excess. You have to pay for excess baggage. This means more baggage than normal. Number 2. This is an adjective. It means being able to read somebody's mind. Jennifer is psychic. She can read people's minds. This adjective pertains to farming, about growing food for people to eat. Agricultural. This top-level adjective means many. And the missing letters are U, T, P. Multiple. Multiple students began speaking English better after studying with Hello Baby English. Oh no, Bob fell down. He can't easily walk. He is injured. He is suffering from an injury. Jennifer is worried. She said that her new job is... This top-level adjective describes something that makes people feel nervous and less confident. Daunting. She said that her new job is daunting. Bob walked for 3 days through a desert. This top-level adjective means it's not suitable for growing anything. There aren't any plants or trees. Barren. He walked for 3 days through a barren desert. The problems at the university are... This means they are through the whole university, and they have probably been there for a long time. And the first letter is a Y. The problems are systemic. He's just a simple guy. He doesn't talk about... This adjective means likely to cause people to disagree. And the first missing letter is an O. Contentious. He doesn't like to talk about contentious subjects or contentious issues. There will be more information in the... This means it will be happening soon, or it will be published soon. And the first letter is an O. Forthcoming. Bye-bye. In tomorrow's game, the topic will be food. See you then.